my beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rosemary Renders, and on today's video we are going to do a little bit unboxing and at the same time reviewing some products inside this box. So without wasting of our time, let's go into it. This is it as usual from Beauty Bay. They are my #1 online shopping site. I usually buy almost 90 to 95% of my makeup products, facial products comes from them. So I stumbled into this particular product and I ordered it. As you can see, it has not been opened. I ordered it and they delivered it a few days ago, but I've not really had a chance to look into it. So you know, I love their packaging. You can see that it's just normal outside, but when you open it you will see that color. I love the color. I love the way they design their carton and all that. So let's see. Yes, this is it. It's called 24K Gold Mask Pure Luxury Lift and Firm. So I'm going to try it this night and see how it goes. Actually, I have a lot of acne on my face. I usually have a lot of breakouts. So whenever I change to a new product, I usually react to it. Or if I leave a makeup on my face for a longer period, I usually react on it. So I stumbled to this product and somebody told me that I should try it. It's very, very good. So I just got it. I think 70 euro or thereabouts. 72 euro 50. I got it. So at the same time I got this one facial roller, right? That's what it's called. This is called Skin Gym. Yeah, facial roller. And I got this as well. This is mask as well. So I said, okay, let me just try different thing. This one is from Botanicals. Though I'm not going to use this one today. I'm not going to use it in 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks until I see how this one goes. Okay, so I'm going to start up with this one and see how it goes. But before that, how it's been applied. Okay, direction to use: apply a very generous amount to a clean face. I have cleaned my face already, so thoroughly covering entire face. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with warm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week or as often desired. For external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. So now I'm going to open it and see how it is. See, it's pure gold. Wow. See, so let's see. I've heard a lot about the products. It's called Peter Thomas Roth, I think. Yeah, Peter Thomas Roth. So this is it. It's so thick. See, so I'm going to apply it and see. Wow, I've washed the face already. Like I said earlier, it's just to apply this and see how it goes. So you can see I've applied it. It's so kind of thick, creamy. I wouldn't say if it's worth it or not until I wash it off and feel it, though I'm not going to say exactly yes, because this is my first time of using it. Until I use it a couple of weeks before I can say yes. it's worth it. You know, it's a bit expensive, but let's see how it's going to be. So now I'm going to wait for 5 to 10 minutes and see how it is on the face after washing it off. If it has any impacts, you know, for this 10 minutes, I'm going to leave it and, you know, see. So let's go ahead and wait. Trying to play with my lights before it's 10 minutes. This is my first time. This is my first day of using the light, so so it's more than 10 minutes, about 15 minutes. So I'm going to wash it off now, and I'll be back and tell you guys how it feels. So it's been washed, and this, my skin is a bit tightened, and it feels like say it's not dry. It's not dry because unlike other ones I use, whenever I finish washing off my face, you can see the dryness in it, but this one feels so good. I'm not feeling any kind of dryness and all that. It's good, but I can't really say that it's worth it. I'm going to come back and review the product after a couple of weeks and tell you how it goes. So the product is formulated with glycerin, water, aqua, AEU, sodium hyaluronate, caffeine, olivine extract, colloidal gold, and so forth. So I'm going to keep using it, like they said, 2 to 3 times a week, and maybe after 2 weeks or 3 weeks I'll come back and say how it goes, if it's worth the €72.50 or not. But for now I would say technically yes, it's worth it, because what I feel now is totally different from what I feel from other masks that I use. Okay, after all said and done, I had to go ahead to apply my eye cream for puffing, because I usually sleep late, wake up early for work and all that. So I use Pixie 24K Eye Elixir. So I use it under my eyes. I roll it there. Use this. Don't need to rub it. Then afterwards I go ahead to use this. It's Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. So I take a bit. So I use it to massage into the skin. It feels so soft, so not silky. Oh my goodness. For this Estee Lauder, I've been using it for a couple of weeks. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and it feels so good, and it's totally worth it. I think I got it, this is 70 or 75 ml, 75 ml, and I got it during promo. I think 103, but I must say that it's totally worth the money. It's worth it because I saw the difference, and I'm still seeing the difference, you know. So it's so into the skin. So I go ahead to apply my night cream. This one is from Herbalife Skincare. But the day cream and the night cream I use because they are very, very good. Very, very good. So this time is almost 11 p.m. I'm doing this time because of the munchkins that I have in the house. I first of all put those angels to bed so that there won't be any distraction, so that I won't be shouting, you know, before I can do this. So, and here we go. So how do you see this video? If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing by clicking that button right down there, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to notify you each time a new video goes up. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you up again in my next video. Ciao.